Google just launched a fun new feature. You can now create personalized storybooks with AI using Gemini. It's called Storybook, and it works right inside Gemini's website and the mobile app. It generates not just the story, but also full-page AI illustrations for every scene. Here's how to try it. Go to gemini.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Then, open the main menu and select Explore Gems. This is where you'll find all of Gemini's specialized tools. Now click on the Storybook gem. This will open up the dedicated story creation tool. As you can see, Google provides a few examples to get your creativity flowing. It's time to write your prompt. Be as descriptive as you like. For this example, we'll ask Gemini to create a story of a robot who lost his pet cat in a sci-fi city. Once you're ready, hit enter. Gemini will now start creating your storybook, complete with the title, text, and custom illustrations for every page. This process might take a minute or two as it generates a complete 10 to 12 page book. And here it is. Our story is called The Missing Gigapur. You can easily navigate through the book by clicking the arrows to turn the pages. One of the coolest features is the built-in narrator. Just click the listen button at the top.
The Missing Gigapur. Unit 734, who his friends called 7, loved order. Every morning, his chrome fingers would measure out exactly 23.5 grams of kibble for 7's processor's word. Giga had never missed a meal.
You can even choose between a higher or lower pitch voice to find the perfect tone for your story.
The Missing Gigapur. Unit 734, who his friends called 7, loved order. Every morning, his chrome fingers would measure out exactly 23.5 grams.
Once your story is complete, you have the option to share it with the public link or even print it to create a physical copy. You can browse through the entire story, from the adventurous beginning to the heartwarming end where our robot is happily reunited with his cat. And that's how you can create a personalized, illustrated storybook using Gemini. Give it a try and let your imagination run wild.